Hello everyone, this is Jinju at kimchimurray.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean pork belly in the oven. It's so easy. You just mix 3 ingredients for the brine, let it sit for an hour or so, and roast it in the oven. It comes out sizzling. Oh my god, it is so good. So here's one with the skin on pork belly that I roasted, and you can see how juicy and tender it is. So to make the brine, you just need water, Korean rice syrup, and sea salt. So mix this is for a pound of pork belly, a 1/3 cup of water, about 2 tablespoons of sea salt. I use Trader Joe's, by the way, but you can use any other sea salt, and just keep mixing until it's all dissolved. Yeah, that's the salt I use. Salt, the kind of salt you use is kind of important because based on the volume, the sodium level can be different. And then here's the Korean rice syrup, gochujang, that I use. You can use that otogi brand or the one that I showed before in the picture, Cheongjongwon. Both work fine. So you are going to add about 1/2 cup of that gochujang. And if you can't get rice syrup, you can substitute bit of honey and water or maple syrup and water. So honey, for example, instead of 1/2 cup, you want to use about 5 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons of water. For maple syrup, it comes to be about 7 tablespoons of maple syrup and a tablespoon of water. Okay, and then all you have to do is just take the pork belly, put it in a plastic bag or container, and pour that lovely brine into it. Let the pork belly sit in it for about an hour to up to a day in the fridge. Squeeze out as much air as possible if using a plastic bag so that the marinade gets all nicely around the pork belly. And then we're going to then take it out when you're ready to bake it. Take it out, let it come to room temperature if possible. If not, you're just gonna have to roast it a little longer, cook it in the oven a little longer. So I bake it, or I roast it at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes for a pork belly this size. If it's bigger and thicker, you might want to do it a little longer. So just roast it until the internal temperature is about 160 to 170 degrees for a well done pork. And there we go. Doesn't that look just amazing? And what we like to do is we make some with it, with some lettuce, rice, samjang, and some raw slice of garlic. Or you can make bossam with it, and I'll show you. I made a bossam spread at home the other day for dinner, and all you have to do is salt some cabbage, slice some radishes, and make like a kimchi muchim with it, and then just wrap it all together just like that. The pork. Oh, also 새우젓, fermented shrimp, is important to eat with this pork for bossam, and you wrap it all up like that. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.